In this video, we're going to look at a method that allows you to select HTML elements by their class name. The document.getElementsByClassName method is a fundamental method for manipulating HTML elements using JavaScript. It's a part of the Document Object Model, or DOM, which is a programming interface for web documents. To use it, you provide a string that matches the class name of one or more elements. This method is case-sensitive. Since multiple elements can have the same class name, this method returns an array-like collection of all the elements with the specified name. In our example, we can then use this collection to highlight all of the elements that have the matching class name. We have 3 paragraph elements that will match. This all happens when the button is clicked, which we'll call this function. Then our getElementsByClassName method will return a collection which will be put into this variable. We can then use the variable to find out how many elements have the matching class name, and we can also use it to change the background color of those elements. This for loop will iterate through all the matched elements. Let's try it out. And that's how you use the document getElementsByClassName method in JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and leave a comment.